Alright everybody, here is the Hide-A-Bed almost completely installed. I still have to paint it and trim it out, but you can see right there. And the light switch for the room is all redone, wired into the cabinet. See all the woodwork? Everything's in place. And here's that cabinet everybody was watching me make, and as you can see, everything's now done. Still needs to be varnished, but there's the cabinet drawers for the person to put their clothes in. Then we pull the pin here. We're going to be getting different kinds of pins, but for right now these are working just fine. And then you come back here and we pull the other pin. And now you have a bed. All nicely hidden away, and you can see the shelves. I did a nice detail on the center. Shelves go around it. The outlet got moved up so that we can put a shelf in, so we can put like a cell phone, or whoever's using can put a phone there or a charger. But yeah, just like that. There's your Hide-A-Bed, and you can see the front has that detail. And then you just grab it. Slip one of the pins back in. You can come over, take your time. Put the other pin in. Just goes like that. And there's your Hide-A-Bed. All in place. Still needs to be painted and parts of it stained, but it's looking good. And this is our office, so you can see we already have the custom cabinets here, countertops, all the wainscoting and everything's all done. Just needs to be touched up, painted, and finished. And when you walk in, because of the door, we wanted to keep that angle so it's nice and wide. So when you walk in, there's these 3 shelves here. And these have a little detail right here. That's going to be for glass. And there's going to be a light up here. So you have light going through glass shelves. But yeah, all nice and trim.